Today guys, I'm going to show you how you can move a team's spawn location from one place to another in Fortnite Creative. Before this video gets started guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone for all the support on my channel recently. It's been absolutely incredible to see. This is only the beginning and I've got a lot of plans for the future. Just to let you all know guys, the map code for Extraction Echo Point is now out and a link to that is in the description below. So in the background guys, I've just been making a small little map that we're going to use to create the level inside of. So we're going to need two little bases for the defenders. I'm going to build this first tower over here. This is where the first spawn for the defenders is going to be. And then I'm going to build a second tower further back, which is where the defenders are going to spawn after their first base has been destroyed. For the team 1 player spawns guys, we're going to set the team to 1, priority group to none, users island start is left on, visible during games is set to off. For the first team 2 spawn, we're going to set the team to 2, priority group to primary, users island start is on, and visible during games is set to off. And the last spawn pad guys is the second team 2 spawn, so we're going to set the team to 2, priority group to secondary, users island start is off, and visible during games is off. Now that we have all the spawn pads down, we need a way of blowing up the first team 2 spawn. So to do this, we're going to set an objective device up. We're going to set the health to 200, team to team 2, explosion radius to 1 tile, and we're going to leave the beacon off, and we're just going to leave the hide health bar at 5 tiles. Next guys, to cover any of the holes that might be made into the floor of the level, we're going to have to place a barrier device underneath the level, which will patch any of the holes that are made by the device when it explodes. So the settings for the barrier device that we're going to use are barrier visibility in game is solid 2, this is like a metal grid sort of texture. Base visible in game is set to off, block weapons in game is set to on, barrier width is set to 3, barrier depth is set to 3, and barrier height is set to 8. To help finish up the level guys, I'm going to go around and add some extra details around each of the towers. Once all of that is done, we're ready to playtest the level. To start with guys, I'm going to show you that when you eliminate the enemy, they're going to spawn back at that first spawn location. Next we're going to destroy the radar dish, and that's going to take out the first spawn. When we eliminate the enemy again for the second time, they'll spawn back at the second spawn location. And that's how to create spawns that move from one location to another. If you enjoyed today's video guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you enjoy my videos and content guys, consider supporting me in the Fortnite item shop by using code BluDrive.